Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. I don't know exactly what color yet, but yeah, so just slime. This method is not with the borax, so don't worry, you will never get burned or, you know what I mean, like hurt with the slime, unless you like put it in your hair and you try to rip it out. You know what I mean. You won't get hurt by like being burned by it. I don't know how you could do that. Unless you like boil it. You know what I mean. It does not have borax, so yeah, it doesn't have borax, period. There. That makes it easier. Oh no. Oh, my baking soda container was open and I was like shaking it around everywhere. It's all in my hair. Okay, so three things you'll need. Baking soda or baking soda. There's baking soda in here too, but baking soda, contact solution, and glue. I'm using Elmer's glue, but I'm pretty sure that there's probably more that work, but this is what I use because, I don't know, you know, I just trust it because I know it works. So, I'm going to be making one for my cousin, or not, no, not my cousin, what's it called? My sister-in-law, maybe? Yeah, that's what it's called. I get sister-in-law and stepmother confused, or stepsister, because I don't have a stepsister, because it's my brother's wife, so I just get confused. I'm not confused about who they are. I'm just, because I don't even have one. I don't have a stepsister. I don't know. I'm just confusing myself now. Why is, oh no, there was glue on the cup. There we go. So, got some glue. I'm just going to fill it up to like however much I want. That's plenty. Okay, so that's a lot of glue. I don't know, it's because of my chopsticks. And next, I'm going to get, see what color people. What's a pretty color? Pink and white. Pink and orange. What? I'm getting so confused. I'm gonna do like pink and or yellow. It could be like a banana, you know? But that's really cool how it does that. So I got a piece of chalk and there's like different like colors on it already. So I'm just rubbing it off because there's some different colors that I really like. Okay, so I'm just going to stir this in for now. Yeah, we've been in school for like 3 weeks now, and it's now August 27th, so most kids are going to school tomorrow. We are, but like we've been in school for like 2 weeks or 3. This will be our 3rd or 4th week already. This because I go to private school, so yeah, I'm just trying to get that. Eventually, we'll all mix in. Like maybe I should add more. But don't ever leave the thing there, because it's just, actually, it should be okay for me. Actually, nope, don't. Just like keep something here so it can have something, I don't know, just like, don't let the thing fall in. Okay, so, I'm gonna add orange, wait. Nope. What's this? I'm gonna hold this and do it. Bam. Now we just go And then we go. I'm just doing the chalk on the plastic, the Tupperware. So then I have some on the Tupperware. I'm just pouring that off the top of it. This is a weird, a weird color. This is having a little tint, but not that much. It's gonna be like a tiny tint. Oh man, I should make blue with water. Yeah, I'm gonna add blue. Hold on. I made a solution. Okay, now that's gonna work. Okay, now I need some blue. Now I can take my time. But now what am I gonna bang it on? I'll bang it down here. I'll put these back up. Yeah? Nothing. I'm just getting chalk shavings for slime. I know. I'm about to. I'm just doing something before I do. Okay, so I have this. I'm gonna stir in the blue because it's like oh, yeah, she likes fish. So there's a piece of hair in here. Ew. What do I do with it? What do I do with it? What do I do? Ah! Let me grab something to put it in here. Let me go through this way. Back. So now I have this stick, and now let me stir this up. Don't ever leave it too long. Just keep stirring, stirring, stirring. I gotta go quick. Oh wait, so the glue doesn't start like, you know what I mean? Because then it's not really perfect slime. What I'm doing here is I have the stick in a hairbrush like this on a Tupperware container, and it's like the right thing. So let me get. Oh man, I can't do that unless. Unless it's like. There. Then I can actually get my baking soda out of this container. Not have to use that one. I've literally used this for like ever. So one pinch right now, another pinch. This is a pretty big batch of slime though, so that's enough for now. Now I got my stick. I'm just gonna stir it. So wait, let me just let me hook it back up for a second, and then I'm gonna close this up. Wait, add a little tiny bit more. Remember, I'm not using a tablespoon because then you get too much. No wonder that's where it comes from. Duh, the hairbrush, hair, glue. Bam. It's dripping on it, but it has hair on it. And then it's getting onto the hair, the glue is. So, stir that up. Really good. That has a little tiny, we're gonna make like a tiny blue tent. I want a pretty big, but not too big, you know? Like a pretty ocean. And go. Go. Start up really, really good. Really good. Really. And start. Okay, now put this over here. Grab this, put it there. Bam. That should hold for a minute. Contact solution, you see this? Back right here. Pour like, probably a little bit. It's okay for now, I guess. And now I'll get the stick off. It's turning into slime already. See, look at this already forming. You'll see it coming up. It's getting better. It's getting better. It's getting there. Just don't add enough or a ton already. If it doesn't just start the second you put it in, because it's never gonna work that way. I used to always do that, and then I would add too much of it's mostly activated. Because then I would be like, oh, I can't see that there's too much, so then that's why. And then I would add more of it. I'll probably need some more. It's gonna have to, because okay, got this baking soda, and then a pinch, maybe like a half a pinch. I'm gonna close it up. Okay, so now that was close. Okay, get this stick. I'm just gonna stir it. And we're just gonna stir it up. Okay, see this? Look, we probably need more activator. Yep. Stir it up. Keeps just stirring and stirring until it's like. I probably need more baking soda. Yeah. Well, I don't know though, because it just depends on again what you use, or no, not what you use. I don't know how much you put in, but it's so close to getting out here. Okay, so let me get some more baking soda, and then I'm adding contact solution. And then I don't know. Baking soda. Teensy amount. Let me close this. It's taking longer than normal. It's just I don't know, I'm tired. Okay, so get the clip and the stick. Stir it up. It might actually be activator. Now we're gonna add some. It took so long to get hand workout. contact solution spray. Yes, probably good right now. Stick. Stir. Probably getting in that now. You might already have your slime formed. It just depends on how much you add of whatever you're using. In this case, of course, I'm using baking soda, glue, and contact solution. And this means it's starting to form. See, look at this. If it's like mostly pulling to the middle whenever you use the cube. It's getting better, but not like. And click. Nope. Add a little bit more over now. This is like let me add some more. It just fell in. Ugh. I'm just gonna have to go work on it. Hold on, I'll be back. This is really good. Okay, I probably need to add baking soda. Let me open up the baking soda. Take out like soup. Normally never takes this long. Actually, okay, put that there and I guess make it another stick out. Okay, let me get a stick again. Been up for I don't know, like so long. Probably like 30 minutes, but now I'm just trying to mix this slime. Actually, that's not true. Not just trying to make this slime. Mostly. Okay, so now we just. Oh man. Peanut butter. Probably should know this by now, but I think this just not all stirred up. Yeah, that's the problem. Now it's starting to work its magic. It's getting there, but I'm just gonna let it sit until the morning and I'll fix it. I don't know. I just want it done, you know? I might just have to add some water. I'm good. I'm leaving it here tomorrow. I can't do this right now. But I have to. I'm going to add more. Actually, let me just add a little bit more baking soda and see if that fixes it. So it might just be that I need more baking soda. Oh, it's working. It's working. Oh, it's working. It's definitely working. You'll know when it works. Like, it starts to come together when you're stirring it. And then add some more. I'm gonna let that sit until the morning, because unless you will not do that. Okay. Let me get through this way till the morning, because I'm getting mad. Now it's starting to work. There we go. Okay, bye guys, I gotta go. I'll make another video tomorrow. Bye.